everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Today's video is extremely special as it's about one of my most favorite actresses, and she is Alia Bhatt. The reason for making this video is that Alia will be turning 28 on 15th of this month. Alia has captured hearts of many people in her short career so far. Apart from being a wonderful actress, she has also sung some nice songs in Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya, Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, Udta Punjab, Sadak 2, and also Highway. She recently also opened a production house called Eternal Sunshine Productions, which will be co-producing the film Darlings. What makes this even more special is that she is the youngest actress turned producer. In 2017, Alia set up a philanthropic initiative called Coexist, which works for ecological and also animal welfare. In one of her interviews, Shabana Azmi called her as a very good actress with a perfect mixture of vulnerability and strength. And you can easily see why Shabana said that when you see films like Highway and Udta Punjab. For example, in Highway, there is initially a lot of vulnerability as she is scared of her kidnapper. But by the end of the film, you see her character gaining strength. For example, in the pre-climax, she confronts her uncle in front of the entire family and yells at her father about not warning her of the dangers posed by insiders. The film ends with Alia's character leaving the house and going to the mountains. There she sets up her own factory. Similarly, in Udta Punjab, her character goes through multiple scenes of abuse, of physical abuse. But she never gives up, and by the end of the film, she becomes a victor. Now, these qualities are particularly endearing to the younger generation of audience, both male and also female. For a young man, he would want to have Alia Bhatt as his girlfriend, and for a female audience, they would like to seek inspiration from these characters. Now I'll talk about some of my favorite Alia Bhatt performances. Since I've already mentioned Udta Punjab and also Highway, I'll be talking about three more. The first one is Razi. Razi is based on a book written by Harinder Sikka. It is set in the year 1971 when India and Pakistan are at the brink of the war and information is the key for both the nations. Alia Bhatt Sehmat is married off to a respectable Pakistani family. Her responsibility is to give secret information to the Indian gun through the mass code. It is a part which isn't particularly likable since she has to choose between the nation and the family. And honestly, some of her actions are quite questionable. But Sehmat never comes across as a villain because of Alia Bhatt's performance. The next one is Dear Zindagi. Dear Zindagi was an attempt to normalize psychiatry through the troubled personal life of a teenage girl. The world of Dear Zindagi is 360 degrees different from the one in Udta Punjab. In this one, Alia's character comes from a upper middle class family and her issues aren't necessarily First World War ones. But the character still works because of Alia Bhatt's spontaneous performance. Her scenes with a shrink played by Shah Rukh Khan were one of the chief reasons why the film worked at the box office. The last one is Gully Boy. As the title suggests, the story of Gully Boy majorly revolves around a boy from the gully, played by Ranveer Singh. But Alia made all her scenes count with her spirited performance. Her performance worked as a perfect antithesis to the understatedness of Ranveer. Through her performance, she showed that good actors do not necessarily need a whole lot of screen time in order to shine. Apart from the above mentioned ones, you also have the Dulhaniya franchise, Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya and Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, and also Two States. In each of those films, the character is strong in their own way, in spite of them being commercial in nature. For example, in Badrinath Ki Dulhania, Alia's character Vaidehi dreams of being an air hostess, and she will do anything in order to achieve that dream. As I earlier said, the actress has also sung some nice songs. Her singing stint started in the film Highway, where she sang a bit of Suha Suha, but the first major singing debut was the unplugged version of Samjhava from the film Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania. This song is not there in the film and is available on YouTube. The song became very popular and Alia's performance in the song was appreciated. After Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, the actress sung two songs in Dear Zindagi, and also she sang a song with Daljit Dosanjh in the film Urta Punjab. They both together sang the song Ek Kudi. The last one is Tumse Hi from Sadak 2. Just like her acting, Alia also made a place for herself with her singing skills. Now let's move to Coexist. As earlier said, Coexist works for ecological and animal welfare. An important part of Coexist is the initiative My Wardrobe is Sue Wardrobe. As a part of this initiative, fans get to select garments from Alia's closet and also other celebrities. Through this one, and it helps various charities. For example, through one of the My Wardrobe is Sue Wardrobe, many economically backward villages in Kekeri, Karnataka, got eco-friendly solar lamps. Alia's sense of humor is another thing which makes her stand out. We all know how she became the butt of the jokes after getting the name of India president wrong. But the actress always took the jokes in her stride. She was so sportive that she acted in the short film Genius of the Year, directed by Shekun Batra, which was about the aftermath of the Coffee with Karan debacle. Although Alia is only 27, you can see a lot of maturity in her, and that reflects both on screen and also off screen. The best example of that is how she dealt when she was unnecessarily attacked for the death of Sushant Singh Rajput last year. A Coffee with Karan game was unnecessarily blown out of proportion, and a picture was painted of them as enemies. Add to that, Sonam's statement of who is Sushant was attributed to Alia. It's a well known fact that Kangana has been targeting Alia since 2019 in the hope to get some response, but Alia has never stooped to Kangana's language and has always given a dignified answer. One reason for that is probably she understands Kangana's background and from where Kangana comes from. Alia is also a very compassionate person, and this can be seen in how she deals with people who are very close to her. For example, her sister Shaheen Bhatt, who had battled depression, in We the Woman event, Alia had cried about not being able to understand her sister's condition in spite of living with her for many years. The same attitude can also be seen with Ranbir's father Rishi Kapoor. When he got cancer and he was in hospital, the actress stood with the family and perfectly balanced both her professional and also personal life. Although the actress is not necessarily very politically active, there are times where Alia has given certain political statements through her Twitter and Instagram. For example, in 2020, when you had the attack on the students, she supported the students with various tweets. I will end this feature by talking about the teaser of Gangubai, which was released recently. The film is all set to release on July 30th. The teaser has been trending for all the right reasons, unlike 2020's disaster, Sadak 2. The dialogues in the teaser have particularly become very popular. For example, there is a line in the last scene of the teaser which goes like this: कुंवारी किसी ने छोड़ा नहीं और श्रीमती किसी ने बनाया नहीं. This scene has been quoted by many fans. While Alia's transformation in the teaser has left many people happy, there's also been a certain discussion about alternate casting. This isn't very surprising since Hrithik Roshan's Super 30 also went through similar issues. But we all know what happened after the film released. Hrithik impressed everyone with his committed performance, and the film, most importantly, worked very well. Coming back to this controversy, people who are talking about this need to wait till Gangubai releases. The reason being, we don't know how much lifespan Sanjay Leela Bhansali has taken in the film. I would end by wishing Alia Bhatt all the best for her future projects, which include Brahmastra and also a Telugu debut, RRR. An interesting thing about RRR is that the actress will be dubbing her own lines. It will be interesting to speak. It will be interesting to see Alia speak Telugu. I will end this video with a couple of quotes from Pankaj Tripathi and also Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan in 2017 had called her a very natural actress and who has the potential to be an international star. Pankaj Tripathi, who was the dialect coach for Urta Punjab, praised the actress by calling her a very hard-working one. Getting such high praise from accomplished actors like Pankaj Tripathi and Irfan Khan gives a huge hype for any actor, let alone someone who is still young in her career. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Signing off until we meet next time, Rego Bharta Prabhata.